Hey my friends, welcome to Mavic channel. As you can see here, I have a wonderful natural swimming pool. Actually, it has been raining for the past 3 days and I have not had any chance to fly. So this evening upon return from work, the rain ceased, and guess what? I am out here today and I am going to have some fun. I am going to do a return to home precision landing test between the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic Mini. And also, I am just going to fly, so I will have two videos coming out of this session. And I don't know which one I'm going to post first, either the competition between the Mavic Air and Mavic Mini, or just the what I like to call backyard over water flight. Let's go, let's go, let's go.